open-minded lang sa whatever the decisions.
Yeah.
Kailangan kung meron kayong mga suggestion, you have to open with her or with him na ito yung gagawin natin. There's a trust at the same time. Pagkatapos, of course, hindi lahat ng mga sabihin na natin gagawin nyo or mga plans nyo, hindi yung mag-work out lahat eh.
Oo nga.
Oo, minsan sa 10, minsan isa lang. Swerte ka kung meron ganyan. Minsan nag-overlap kayo, pero ang importante dyan, there's a trust eh.
Galing.
Kasi minsan, you don't have to wait for her or his decision. Kasi nandun yung trust eh. Miski sa akin, sabi ko, pag mga ganyan, miski ikaw na, you decide.
Bumabalik pa rin doon talaga sa trust.
Yes, pag nasa business ka kasi, you have to give a full heart talaga, hindi yung half-hearted ka eh.
Totoo.
Kasi kung hindi buo yung puso mo dyan, or yung time mo is mahihirapan eh. But of course, in some other people, in some other business owners, kung doble o tsaka triple, that's better.
Naniniwala ka ba na dapat mauna sila lagi bago yung sarili mo?
Mauna talaga sila kasi the more you help them, the more you give them emphasis, sila yung magsusumikap at saka magbibigay sa iyo ng reputation and at the same time business.